Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate a simple and effective method to convert PDF files into Word documents, allowing you to easily edit and personalize them. This is especially useful if you want to customize PDF templates like a CV or resume for a polished, professional appearance. In today's competitive job market, a strong, well-designed CV is essential. It's your first impression on potential employers, and creating a high-quality, visually appealing CV can significantly set you apart from other candidates. So let's dive into the process. Here's how you can convert your PDF to a Word document quickly and easily. First, find a CV template that matches your style and needs. There are plenty of websites offering free templates, so choose the one that suits you best. Once downloaded, your template may be in PDF format. Now open Microsoft Word and start a new blank document. Note that you shouldn't drop the PDF file directly into the Word page. It will add it as an object. So keep the File menu page open. Once you do this, Word will prompt you to confirm if you want to convert the PDF. Just click OK or Yes to proceed. Keep in mind that some formatting might not convert perfectly, but it's usually quite close. Now that your PDF is in Word format, you can edit the text, adjust the layout, and even add new sections as needed to make the CV truly your own. You can also customize fonts, colors, and any design elements you like, and that's it. You now have a fully editable Word document based on your PDF template. This method is a quick and effective way to take control of your CV or any other PDF document you need to customize. With this process, you can save time and produce a professional, eye-catching CV that truly represents you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you found this tutorial helpful. Happy editing, and good luck with your job search or any project you're working on. See you in the next video.